Mm. Mm. Oh, I got that smoky flavor. Oh, yeah. It's like food porn. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang. Hey, what it do, everyday people? It's your boy PJ back at it again. Now, yesterday or 2 days ago was Nipsey Hussle's a year since he was viciously murdered. So I wore these today, and they got the Los Angeles on the inside. It's pretty dope. Everywhere I go, people give me a lot of compliments. Like I was in Walmart today, and people was like, "Hey man, where you get those at?" Like, man, had these for a minute. But what I'm gonna do is make a smoked meatloaf. And man, let me tell you, this is gonna be 2 pounds of beef that the girls want. You know, so I'm gonna take you through some of it. I'm gonna show you the ingredients, show you how to stack it up. I'm gonna get that smoker grill ready because it's gonna smoke for about 4 hours. Then after that, taste test. So, hey, stay tuned. Everyday people, I'll holler at you. Hey, what it do, everyday people? So, all right, these are my ingredients. This is just some of them. I wanna show you kind of what's going in it. And then I'm gonna just cut straight to, like, it's all mixed up and ready to start preparing. So, you know, you got your ground beef. I'm gonna need that for like the sauce. Every time you make meatloaf, you gotta have this. One time I made meatloaf without it, it tastes like a big ass hamburger. I didn't know how to make meatloaf. And I'm gonna use a couple eggs. I'm gonna cook some bell pepper and onion, cause I don't wanna put it in there hard, cause when you smoking it, it don't cook like it do in the oven. So it don't like make the onions and stuff real soft. So I'm gonna cook them for a little bit, not too much, and then, you know, just to lighten them up just a little bit. And then, you know, I got some garlic, Worcestershire sauce. It's a Worcester sauce. And most importantly, some Jack Daniels. One of these pans is always good to have. You see, I've smoked some on here before, a lot of stuff, you know what I'm saying? It's always good to have because it got the holes and you don't have to put it flat on the thing. That's also, when you don't have something to cook with, these, like, that's real good to have, especially when you got a really old grill. You know what I'm saying? So before we put this meat on your grills, ladies, get this stuff put together, all right? Hey, what it do, everyday people? So here I am. I am about to crack the Jack Daniels because yes, this is actually going in there. So I just wanted to show y'all, just cause I don't want y'all to think I'm just playing. I'm a drunk or some shit, and I just bought this big ass bottle. You put the Jack Daniels in the meat and in the sauce. That's what's good about it. You know, it doesn't make it. I mean, it's just like when you go to the store and they got that Jack Daniels. You know, that brisket down there by the meat aisle. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. Just good. Well, I probably shouldn't have did that. Hopefully nobody else drink after me. Goddamn Rona. Right after I mix this up, what I gotta do is I gotta make 2 layers. So one layer is gonna have, the first layer is gonna be laid flat, made into like a good oval size. Second, I'm gonna put a layer of cheese in the middle. Then I'm gonna put another layer of meat on top. All right, everyday people. I am making the sauce real quick. And what I need to do, I gotta put in some Jack Daniels. And this one the sauce takes more Jack Daniels. So I got a 1/4 cup right here. I just wanted to show y'all this because this is the importance of the flavor, you know what I'm saying? That's a lot. That's a good shot. That's a good shot amount. So that, you know what I'm saying, you want to put some rub into it. These crushed red peppers, you gonna put a lot of these in there. Probably about 2 tablespoons or something like that, you know what I'm saying? You want to put a lot, and that's in the sauce. This shit gonna be spicy, dog. So, yeah. All right, everyday people, let's get busy. So that's the cheese I'm gonna put into the middle, right? So let's start. I'm gonna take half of the meatloaf. You know the girls like the meat thick on their grill. I see no lie there.
Showing up on the beat.
So now I'll put this on there. Give it a good stir. And I added a little bit more ketchup to thicken it up a little bit because it was kind of runny. But I'm gonna sit this in the fridge for a little bit so it can chill. While it chills, I'm gonna go start the grill. I'm gonna go start that. I'm gonna start the smoker, dog. All right, and then next thing I'm gonna do is just show y'all the finished product. I don't think y'all need to see me put it on the grill or nothing. That's some basic stuff. Hey, what it do, everyday people? I'm about to come out here to show y'all what's going on. It's just a little live update. You see, I got that thing. It's kind of a windy day out here, so it actually calmed down just a little bit. But it's not as warm as I need it to be right now, but yeah, baby. Hopefully that thing cooked. I see it's been in there for about 15 minutes. I'm an amazing ass chef. Man, I've dated some women that made some terrible food. I've dated some women that made good food, but then, you know, dating, messing with me, they've stepped their game up. And cooking is life, bro. I know some of y'all at home quarantine eating McDonald's every day because y'all don't have enough to cook. Y'all tired of eating the same pork chops, the same hamburger helper. Man, learn how to cook. What to do, everyday people? So, come out here and check this out real quick. We got a good temperature on that thing. See where that ideal? Yeah, it's there, baby. There it go. Now we got a little bit of cheese that done rolled off, but man, it sucks. I need to figure out a better way to keep that in there. Some of it didn't spill down to the bottom, but you know, it's all good. All right, so a couple more hours left and then that sucker will be done. Right now, it's just slow cooking right now, slowly. So a couple more hours, man. I probably ain't gonna have to add no more wood in there. So, all right, everyday people, I'm gonna holler at y'all when it's finished.
3 hours later.
Hey, what it do, everyday people? The time has come for the moment of truth. I'm gonna just cut a piece open. I'm gonna post a picture of it on my Instagram. Y'all hit me up on IG. I'll post it in the description. Look at this. Ooh, I don't think I cut it to the cheese. Let me just cut it to the cheese. Yeah, it's in there, it just melted on off. See? Ooh. Oh, I'm about to try some. Ooh. Let's see. Oh. I got that smoky flavor. Oh, Yeah. It's like food porn. Yeah. There you have it. Ooh-wee. Oh, it's so good. I got another bite. Oh, look at that piece of cheese right there. Oh, it's hot. Oh, hot. Yeah. That's it. All right. Hey, why don't you like, comment, and subscribe? This is PJ, Everyday People. I'm out. Holla at you.
Murray, out of the pocket. 7 seconds. 6 seconds.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Are you in the middle of the game and your wife keep nagging you about the house that y'all ain't sold or the property y'all ain't sold, and you sitting on the couch trying to catch the game and Murray's just launching one to DeAndre Hopkins? Is that you? If that's you, give me a call at 405-759-0038. Let me sell your house for you and you can continue watching the game.